Hello, my name is Nathan Lantain-Getch. Right now I'm looking at completing my computer science program here at North Hennepin, and I'm looking to transfer to Mankato State University to complete my bachelor's degree in computer application development.
How did you decide on coming to NHCC?
I decided it was a lot of different factors. Main one was financial because the cost of community college compared to university is quite drastic. Also, it was really close to home and also for work as well, which is really nice.
What aspects of the career drew you to decide on computer science as your major?
There's a lot of different factors. I think one of the main ones was my love for technology. Ever since I was a kid, I've really liked gaming and stuff like that, but once I got into the end of my high school years, I fell in love with robotics. And when I was deciding what I want to go to school for after high school, I was I really like robotics and stuff, and so I was looking at certain majors, and I was like, computer science is the way to go because I think it's really fascinating with how technology works in our world and being able to understand how it functions. And I feel like with pursuing computer science, I can really learn more about it, how it works.
In your perspective, what does it take for someone to be successful in this major?
I think the most valuable thing is determination, because there's a lot of different things that go into trying to understand computer science. There's a lot of problem solving, so I feel like you have to be someone who's very patient and who can really spend a lot of time brainstorming ideas and trying to come up with a solution.
In this program, do professors touch on all career paths that are possible with the major?
I really think so. I think just the program itself speaks for itself, because the classes that you take, there's so much different diversity and different skill sets you're learning. You're learning about database management, you're learning about how to build algorithms and object-oriented programming, and I feel like that skill set can lead to many different skills to other job opportunities.
What does your classwork look like?
So my classwork, it looks like a lot of projects, and I think it's really important that there's a lot of projects because it's a good simulation of how the workforce is, because when you go to a job, your manager or someone above you is going to give you a task and you're going to have to complete it. And what's nice is with the projects, there's many different ways you can approach on solving it. And so I feel like with that in hand, you can really think of a solution and come up with different ways of approaching the problem, which is, I think, really important.
How would you describe your experience in the program? What's been your favorite aspect of it?
My experience right now, I'm about to finish up in the computer science program, and I felt like I've acquired a lot of new skills that I didn't have before. So I've learned a lot about how to create a graphical user interface, a lot of basic fundamental computer science terminology, and certain things with programming. It's really fascinating. My favorite aspects has probably been working on the projects. They're really fun, really something I can enjoy and just dive into.
If someone is undecided and starting to look into careers, would you recommend someone looking into computer science?
Absolutely, because the world we live in is so becoming more and more technologically savvy, and I feel like if you can understand how technology works, not just on the outside but on the inside, like the hardware aspect of it, then I feel like that's going to be a really important skill set, not just for a job but just for a day-to-day basis.